Welcome to our channel. I am Code Knight. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up VS Code for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But before that, if you have not installed VS Code yet, so please must watch our previous video and install VS Code. So let's begin today's video. Here, open VS Code. We need three extensions for HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which helps us to write a code. First, go to the extension. First extension we need is live server. So type live server. This one we need for our code. Click on install. The second extension we need is JavaScript ES6. JavaScript ES6, this one. ES6 means ECMAScript 6, which is our latest version of JavaScript. Click on install and it will install. And third extension we need is prettier. It helps to beautify our code and also increase our readability. So we already installed our three extension. Now it's time to code. So first of all, we make our first HTML page, web page dot html. We write our first HTML code. So in body tag, we will give header h1 and write it is our first web page. So there are two ways to open browser to show our output. The first way is to click here, the right side down, go live. So we will click here and it will reflect our output in a browser. It is our first web page. Now the another way is to click on our web page.html, right click and open with live server. So it is also another way to show our output. We are going to write our CSS code. So we will make style tag, select body, and we will give background color to blue. Blue and text color to the white. So let's see the output. Now see, it's changed the whole background blue and our text black to the white. So now we will write JavaScript. We will write JavaScript after the body tag, script, and we will write the output console.log and we will write thank you. So let's see, where is it? See, here we can't see our JavaScript output. So for that, right click on browser. Here we can see inspect. Click on inspect and then go to the console. See, we can see our JavaScript output at the console. We can also move our console to the bottom like this. One more thing, we can also write our JavaScript at this point and run. See, but it is our temporary code. It will not going to change our main file. So let's move to the main file So it is all about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But one more thing, we can also write JavaScript and CSS in different file. So let's see style.css and script.js. So first of all, I will going to comment out this code here and this code. Now let's write our CSS in different file. So same thing we will going to apply in different file. Body, background color as blue and color as white. Let's see our output. Oh, it's not showing. Why? Because we didn't link our CSS to the HTML. So for that, we have to link our CSS file to the HTML. So let's link CSS. And here we will give our CSS file. So it is our style.css. Now let's see. It will going to change or not. Yes, it will definitely going to change. Same way, we will write JavaScript. Here, I will write console.log like, share, and subscribe. Now, we will add our JavaScript in HTML. So let's write script and source. Our source is script.js. Now save our code and go to the browser. Then right click, click on inspect and go to the console. See, like, share and subscribe. So that's another way to write CSS, HTML and JavaScript. So it is all about today. See you soon. Till then, take care, tada, goodbye, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel and comment what you want to see in our video.